Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Nick. I know it's been like 115 days since I've posted anything on the channel, so I wanted to make a short video with updates on what's been going on. I'm sure you can see in the background there's a TIG welder and some fabrication stuff going on. Uh, I had purchased the Prime Weld TIG welder like a couple months ago just so I could learn to fabricate stuff, and that's kind of what I've been working on, is practicing how to weld aluminum and steel and things like that just to get a hang of it. I kind of already through the first tank, but there's still some argon left. I'm sure I'll include some b-roll of something I picked up, and it's a project that I'll be talking about more in a future video. Um, But I just wanted to come on here and at least post something and show you guys what I've been up to. I just got back from Harbor Freight. Since I've been trying to learn how to weld and things like that, I've been having a hard time like cutting metal and stuff because I bought some steel and aluminum pieces that I was gonna cut up to make welding coupons so I could learn how to weld, but I've been using a jigsaw this entire time to try cutting the metal, and it's been working, but it's just a pain to cut the metal properly, and it just takes a very long time. So I'll include some b-roll here, but I picked up this benchtop stand, and I got some metal cutting saw blades, and I picked up this bare bandsaw. It's just a cheap one. It was a 5-inch deep cut. I figured I'd get some use out of it, um, make life a little easier trying to cut metal and everything. And I'm sure it'll come in handy for fabricating exhaust and things like that. I also picked up a tungsten grinder because I've been having a hard time grinding them on the stone wheels. They just keep chewing up the stone wheels. So I picked up this whole attachment from Amazon. I don't know, it was like $20 or something, and I can get pretty consistent results with this, so I'm pretty happy with that. I've been grinding them at 30 degrees, just been learning. I picked up that cheap um, die grinder Dremel, so I've been just trying to learn fabrication basically so I could be better at producing custom stuff, because I don't really like depending on people for anything really. I just like building my own stuff and being able to do it on my own, and that's kind of why I made this channel, is to somewhat document my process or the progress I make in learning to fabricate things and just working on my cars. So, but that's a quick update and how things have been going here. Um, think I'm gonna work on putting the benchtop attachment and the bandsaw stuff together. So I don't know if I'll film a time lapse or just cut to whenever I get that set up. But thanks for tuning in and watching. No, haven't posted much lately. Um, the Audi's been alright. I had a little incident with that right after I got it up and running. I'll talk about that in another video probably if anyone cares to know about it. But I've been driving it here and there. Been having bugs, I guess, with trying to do and everything and figure the drive-by-wire stuff out. So, but again, thanks for watching.